little nifty idea of what to do with envelopes, and seeing as I made envelopes, did a tutorial in a video a couple of days ago, I'll link it in the description box below. I thought this was perfect and I really want to try it out, and it is closet fresheners. Obviously you can use smaller envelopes and just normal envelopes, short bought envelopes, but since as I have these ready, I thought we'd use these. Now, the trick I've heard is you can use your own washing powder, take an envelope, pop some inside, which we're going to do right now. Oh, this is going to be messy. I don't want to put too much in really, do I? Maybe a little bit more than that. Yeah, I can smell it, I can smell it. Then we tape it closed very well. Very, very well. We don't want any spillages, especially if these are going into children's wardrobes. Could you imagine? We want it taped up nice and tight. But we will have a couple of holes. Much like when I did the gift bag. Need a hole punch or a skewer, whatever you've got. Make 2 holes. 2 holes. And again, handy gift ribbon to make a little hanger. Just feed it through the holes. Do not tie it yet, because you want to tie that on the wardrobe rail. I can smell it, only time will tell how strong it's going to be, but I want to hang that up in, especially in my children's wardrobes, and see if their clothes come out smelling like the washing powder a bit more, because obviously washing powder has a long-lasting freshness, so we'll see how that works. You can also not put the holes in and just plop them into drawers. That would work as well. And obviously you can fill them with dried herbs and things, but seeing as this, most of us have this, I thought we'd go with this. I'm going to do another one. And this one smells nice. 2 scoops. Obviously smaller envelopes, smaller scoops. Right, let's take this down securely. I hope this works. I saw somebody suggesting it on Facebook and I thought that's a good idea. And if it works, you can just, if the smell goes, make another envelope, get another envelope. And I'm sure if the smell goes, you could just shove that in your washing machine still. Just put a bit of fabric conditioner with it, but it's still going to clean your clothes, isn't it? Right, hole punch, what am I doing? Where's it not going in? There we go. Another bit of ribbon. Right, let's go and hang these in the wardrobe. Just take the ribbon and fasten it on here and try not to drop it in case it does open. There we are. Oh, I haven't done a good job of that. One more. There. Here's the freshener. This is my daughter's wardrobe. Hopefully that's going to make it smell lovely. Like I said, time will tell. We'll give it a few hours, a few days, see what it smells like. But yeah, worth a go. And this is the one in my son's wardrobe. I guess you could use those scent booster beads as well. They'd smell really nice. I don't have them at home. I don't use them. But if you use them, swap out the washing powder for scent booster beads. So we'll see how this goes. I thought that's quite a nifty little hack if it works. So you could use shop bought envelopes. This size would probably be better for drawers. So I might make myself some smaller envelopes. And as long as you've got envelopes, washing powder, or maybe, like I said, those scent beads, bit of ribbon, string, anything you've got, tape, hole punch or skewer, you can make yourself some handy closet fresheners, and I think that's a handy little tip. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you next time.